How to add multiple photos to an Instagram story on an iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple photos in an Instagram story on iPhone. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then swipe right to open the story section. Now tap on the image icon at the bottom left corner to access your gallery. Next, hold any image or video and then select multiple media files. Then tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner to proceed. Now, you will see the selected images or videos as separate slides in your story. After that, go back and open the CapCut app. Now tap on New Project and select any image or video to start. Then, resize the selected media and move it to the left corner of the screen. Now check the timeline to ensure proper placement. Then tap the plus button to add another image or video. Next, adjust it to the right side of the screen. Then tap the plus button again to add another media file. Now adjust it on the screen or timeline as needed. Continue by adding more images by tapping the plus button and positioning them properly. Once you have 4 images on the screen, tap Export from the top right corner to save the video. Now open the Instagram app again and go to your story. Then select the video you created in CapCut and post it to your story. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.